Frustrated by the Taskmgr Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Don't let Taskmgr Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Taskmgr Library, the Task Manager extension library. This module manages the localized UI data aggregation for the Windows Task Manager, including the real-time localized display of CPU, GPU, and RAM usage statistics. Corruption results in localized Task Manager performance tabs appearing blank. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Taskmgr Library DLL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Taskmgr Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Taskmgr Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Taskmgr Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Taskmgr Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.